I've received a lot of feedback from folks who have asked about feedback forms and rubrics for individual students, for individual discussions, across discussions. And so for this demo, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you if, for example, you've run a discussion, you've done your diagramming, you've taken notes, and you wanted to evaluate that one discussion for the group as a whole. What you can do is you can click on one of your section cards, find the discussion in question. So for example, if I was looking at the 1960 election, I can click on Summary here. The summary page will pop up, and if I click on Reflection here, it'll take me to the page with the diagram itself and the place where I can take notes on how the discussion went. In another video, I showed you how to produce the PDF, but on the right side here, on the bottom right here, you can click on this discussion rubric button, and then a pop-up will generate, and it'll produce for you a PDF, a fillable PDF of a rubric that you can use to evaluate your discussion. And so here, again, it's fillable. I can put in 1960 election, Nixon versus Kennedy. I can put in the date, and I can also checkbox the qualities of how the discussion went based on a number of criteria: engagement and participation, substance critical thinking, the material or text references, discussion behavior. And I can do so just by clicking on these boxes here. Okay. And in addition to that, I can even write some qualitative feedback on the discussion. Now, a couple of things that are worth keeping in mind. Producing these PDFs takes a lot of processing, so it's my recommendation that you do so on a laptop or a computer over a tablet. In addition, these are fillable PDFs that don't get stored on Dialogic's website. So what I suggest up here as a note is, to ensure your privacy and confidentiality, what we suggest is to download the rubric, to fill in the rubric either before or after the download, and then save it to your local computer. To save it, you just can go down, or you can download it here with your changes, and then save it locally to your computer.